Y'all remember when I went to Walmart and I asked if I could do her hair, but she couldn't? If not, here's the recap.
Braids?
Yeah, I do.
Would you like some? I'm doing this thing where I give out free stitches. Okay, that's
How do y'all thought she was being mean? She wasn't. She just didn't have the availability to clear her schedule the same day to get her hair done. But today she's here now. And y'all, I was not expecting this beautiful hair. Because last time she had that wig on, and I'm like, why would you want to cover all this beautiful hair? So she just wanted some stitch braid. And I'm just using my spoon. Y'all, I love the spoon method. I don't think I'll ever go back with when it comes to huge braids though. Like medium and large braids only. Not no tiny braids. In honor of Halloween for October, I'm using my orange stitch tool. Y'all literally not playing with this. There's only a limited amount left, so y'all better hop on that link in my bio. And people are asking how is it based on finger sizes. Y'all, it is adjustable. You can tighten it or you can loosen it. Now I'm about to do her edges. I'm using my edge control linked in my bio. I'm always giving it away to my clients, so I always have to open up a new one. And I got this new flat iron for edges, and I love this way better than the wavy top. If you guys want it in my storefront, just let me know. And this is me doing her edges. And I took you guys advice to put the little head wrap thing on after I'm done so the steam don't mess up the edges. And thank y'all. And then I blow dried it, and that's all. Bye. So I put different prices in here. So whatever price you pick, that's what you have to pay. Deal?
Deal.
Okay. You can't look at it though until the end of the appointment.
Ooh, okay. Ooh, what's this thing? Just $1,000.
Don't worry.
Comment for part 2.
Let me show y'all.